Hello folks, welcome to this super short video of my latest purchase. I know there's a ton of these on YouTube, but I'm excited and I wanted to share it with you. So let's take a look. As you can see on the box, this is the HK pistol, and as you can also see, I went for the long frame. So this is the content of the box. As you can see, there's the firearm itself. There's a couple of these side panels which you can swap right here, and these come in small, medium and large. The ones on the pistol are medium at the moment, so you can see it says left and small right here. You also get these back straps, again medium, small and large. So you can tell right here, this is the small one. So you also get these two metal 15 rounders. They feel very nice and you pay for them as well. Not for these came in the box, but if you want extra spare mags, they are super expensive. They basically cost twice as much as the CZ mags. But yeah, that's HK. Also, these are 15 rounders. The ones I'm gonna buy are 17 rounders, the new ones. They changed some internal components like the follower and the spring, I believe, with no dimension changes, so that's nice. Now the pistol itself. So let's start with a safety check. You pop the mag. As I mentioned, this is a brand new pistol. It's never been fired. And in fact, I don't own any ammo yet. So, yep, it's clear and safe. There you go. So, as you can see, this is the 5-inch model, the long slide. You can also buy this slide and barrel separately and fit it onto your frame if you have the 4-inch version. This is also the optics ready version, so I do intend to use it with a red dot, but I just got the gun, so I'm not that far yet. This came with a set of high-vis sights. I'm not sure if I could call them night sights or not. Definitely not tritium sights, but yeah, they glow quite a bit. These are greenish dots. I have no problem with them. They're metal, they feel pretty good, but I will use a red dot, so I'm not too concerned. I know many people do not like these. No problem for me, at least at the moment. The long slide, well, obviously this is not a carry gun. I do not intend to carry it, but I would like to shoot it in some kind of competition. This is my first pistol, so that may be premature, but anyway, that's the plan. The gun feels really good in the hand. The grip is fantastic. I haven't messed with the backstrap and the side panels yet. The medium size feels just right. I will try different sizes, probably the large one after I went to the range for the first time. I'll see, but at the moment it feels really good in the hand, and I think I may leave it with the medium, even though my hands are quite big. The controls are metal and they feel great. Maybe a little stiff at the moment. I suppose that's because it's a brand new gun. But it all seems to work pretty well. Got these in the box. I believe these are different size mag releases, because this is the push button version. It's not the lever version. And I got this strange tool, and I'm not quite sure what it does. I suppose it's something to do with the mag release buttons, but I have to check the manual first. By the way, you get this lovely manual. There should be all the information required to operate and clean the gun. Hopefully I will find how to use the tool. Or perhaps someone can give me a shout how it works. Yep, very nice, well made. You can let me know what you think about my choice. I was originally going for the Walther PDP 5-inch, but when I saw the gun, it's really chunky. This one doesn't feel that substantial, let me call it. This feels really good in the hand. It's got a nice weight to it. It's not hot, not heavy, but it's not cheap feeling, you know. There's a sense of quality about this pistol. I really like it. The controls are metal, they feel great. Apart from the push button, that's plastic, not these. But it all seems to work pretty well. So I just quickly took it apart. There's the spring and the long barrel. I'm not going to take that off. Here's this inside of the slide. It all feels really good. Hopefully it shoots as good as it looks. Sorry. I have to do it. This is a weird angle, sorry about that. Yeah, so I hope it shoots really good. It's probably not gonna be a Shadow 2 level. That's the gun I shot the most so far. But I can't wait to give it a shot. To test it out at the range. That's pretty much it. If you want to see more videos with the gun, there should be some coming. If you have any questions, I'm more than happy to reply. And yeah, that's it. Take care, guys. Thanks.